Hi viewers, you are welcome. In this video, we want to solve for x in x raised to power 2 equals 2 raised to power x. Guys, I'm not sure if you've seen this kind of exponential equation before, but many students have seen, so think this equation is not possible. So, but yeah, we are going to be solving it. Yeah. So with a very fast method, so a comprehensive explanation. Let's say solution. Right, so what we have is x raised to power 32 equals 2 raised to power x. The first method, sorry, the first step, so which I think many people missed, is to multiply both side powers by 1 over x. You multiply the power of this by 1 over x, then power of this by 1 over x. So let's do, so we have x raised to power 32, right? So we have to multiply each 1 over x equals, also we have 2 raised to power x, then raised to power 1 over x. All right. So then let's recall from our law for indices that if you have a raised to power p, then raised to power q. From the law of indices, it says that if a number which is set to a certain power is again raised to another power, these powers are multiplied. So we are going to have a raised to power p times q, and that is a raised to power pq. Do you get that? Applying this to the above, we are going to have s raised to power 32 times 1 over x equals 2 raised to power x times 1 over x. All right. So from here now, we are going to have something like x raised to power 32 divided by x. All right. So then 2 raised to power x divided by x. Now we have x raised to power 32 divided by x equals 2 raised to power x divided by x will give us 1. Alright, so the next step is to multiply again the powers on both sides by 1 over 32, because clearly we want to cancel this 32. And to do that, let's multiply both side power by 1 over 32, and that will give us x raised to power 32 divided by x raised to power 1 divided by 32 equals, we have 2 raised to power 1 raised to power 1 divided by 32. All right, so now this we cancel this. Like I said, we have x raised to power 1 over x, right? So x raised to power 1 over x equals 2 raised to power 1 divided by 32. But there's something you should know, that if you say 1, we can express this as 2 divided by 2. All right. So now we have x raised to power 1 over x equals, this we can express this as 2 raised to power 1 times 1, 1 divided by 32, meaning that this will become x raised to power 1 over x equals 2 raised to power, this one we can express this as 2 divided by 2, then multiply by 1 divided by 32. So what is left now is we have x raised to power 1 over x equals, this we have 2 raised to power 2, then we have raised to power 1 over 2 times 1 divided by 32. Therefore this will become x raised to power 1 over x equals 2 raised to power 2 is 4, right? So then let's multiply this. 1 times 1 we have 1 divided by 2 times 32 x 64. If we have this, so we are going to have x raised to power 1 over x raised to power 1 over x equals 4 raised to power 1 multiplied by 1 divided by 64. All right. Therefore, we have x raised to the power 1 over x equals 4 raised to the power of 1 could be expressed as 2 divided by 2. Then we have multiplied by 1 divided by 64. All right. So we are going to have x raised to the power 1 over x equals 4. We have 4 raised to the power 2. Then raised to the power 1 divided by 2 multiplied by 1 divided by 64. All right. So we have x raised to the power 1 over x equals 4 raised to the power 2 is 16. Then raised to the power 1 divided by 2 times 1 divided by 64. So therefore we have x raised to the power 1 over x equals 16. 1 times 1, that is 1 divided by 2 times 64 will give us 128. All right. So then we're going to have x raised to the power 1 over x equals, again, we can express this as 16 raised to the power 1, right? Multiply by 1 divided by 128. So therefore, x raised to the power 1 divided by x equals 16 raised to the power. This one could be expressed as 2 divided by 2 multiplied by 1 divided by 128. So then we have x raised to the power 1 over x equals 16 raised to the power 2. All right. So then raised to the power, this should be mean 1 divided by 2 multiplied by 1 divided by 128. So then we have x raised to the power 1 over x equals 16 raised to the power 2. That will give us 256, right? Raised to the power 1 times 1 will give us 1. 2 times 128 will give us also 256. So now to get our solution, so is either we compare the base or we compare the powers. So let's say we want to compare the base. So to compare the base, we have our x to be equals this is base 256. All right. So now if we say is power that we want to compare, we have 1 over x equals 1 divided by 256. Looking at this is 1 equals 1 and x equals 256. Therefore, we have our x to be equals to 256. This is our final answer. Thank you for watching, guys.